Hello, people. Of course, I said 3, 2, 1 for my friend to be ready. I'm just gonna, because she's not connected to me or for anything with talking or anything, I am just going to say hi. Okay, so hopefully she'll say hi back. Oh, guys, by the way, this is Jess. She's going to be on the channel as well. Hopefully she can do some screen recorders as well and upload to the YouTube channel one day. But for now, I think it might just be me uploading everything. But that's going to be fine for now. Okay, so she's saying hi to the YouTuber, to all of you. Okay, so basically what we're going to be doing today, just an introduction. My friends, there's Jessica. She's on with me right now. She's Princess Space Ice. I don't know. Galaxy loves to play with her power. And yeah, basically that's her. And then there's going to be Evie on the channel as well. So basically I'm sharing a channel with all of my friends, and this is going to be a new gaming channel with Gacha Life, Roblox, MSP, Minecraft, all of the stuff that we all kids like to game on these days. So basically it's just the introduction. So Evie's going to be doing a lot of Minecraft and Gacha Life for us on the YouTube channel. I don't know what Margaret's going to be doing. By the way, we call her Maggie. So guys watching, if you hear me calling her Maggie, and yeah. Oh yeah, and guys, I also have an alternative channel, Clover YouTube, aka hold on, I write it in Notepad. So it's like that. There you go. Okay, so now she's recording for, I'm guessing, her YouTube channel. And yeah, I'm recording too. So she might upload this to the channel, I don't know, or it might go on her channel. So yeah, basically what I'm going to try to do, I'm going to see if I can get the Halo or not. I'm guessing I'm not, because everything is unlucky when I'm recording or anything. And by the way, guys, I'm really laggy, so don't mind any of the lag. Okay. Oh, guys, and comment down below if you know stories. If you know stories that contain the Valentine's Halo, and comment how many diamonds you put in for them. And yeah. So I've been told this one might get the story I'm doing right now might give you the Halo if you put in a certain amount of diamonds, but I don't know. But I don't really mind either, so I don't mind losing a few diamonds. And I know, guys, I'm a new YouTuber, so I'm not rich and everything to be able to have loads of diamonds. Okay, so I wonder what's going on to the fountain. Okay, so I think I just got I just got diamonds from that one, but that's okay because I earned a few more diamonds. Okay, so yeah. Let's go up and spin the wheel. Now, I never get anything good on the wheel, and I'm not one of those really good pros that you see on this game either. I mean, I have a few things, but this is my inventory. I have a few skirts, a few heels, and I have a few items. But as you can see, and I have wings and stuff, but as you can see, I don't have everything because, not everyone has everything. Oh, and my friend just joined. Her name is Ruby. I'm suspecting she might be watching this video. I don't know. Hi, Ruby. Oh, I got the Breathe Me mask. Okay. Okay. Sorry that I didn't talk then, guys. I'm just answering this guy's question because, you know, I'm a fair person. Okay, I'm just gonna say hi to Ruby. Sorry about the mess up. Wait. She's still on. Yeah, where is she? By the way, Ruby Rock, say hi to YouTube. Okay, so guys, she's probably gonna say hi. Might do a little bit with her and stuff. But yeah, I got the Breathe Me mask, which I already had. she's a real comedian. And yeah. And guys, of course, I have this going because I'm trying to download Gacha Life so I can make some Gacha Lives on here instead of just on my phone and stuff. So yeah, basically that's it. And yeah, so guys, by the way, if you want to, actually, I'll do that later. But right now we're gonna join Jessica, and I'm going to put Ruby on a voice call. So guys, hi Ruby. Okay, so guys, right now, everyone watching, Ruby is on a voice call. And I know you guys can't see her because I don't have a webcam yet, but I'd show you her if I could. And I'm recording a video, Ruby. Nice. Yay. Okay, so basically this video is just going to be about earning diamonds and an introduction. Yay. Okay, I just joined the server. By the way, Ruby, I'll be narrating what I'm doing, not to you, but to the viewers. With these things. By the way, if you guys couldn't see what I was doing then, I was basically showing Ruby my mic. And that's how I'm talking to you all right now. And yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna try set up my webcam. And I think it'll go well. Webcam, like, you know, the thing that you stick on your computer to be able to record you. Because I don't already have one, like, in my monitor. Okay, guys, so we're in the server. It's Dan. It's like in the middle of the dance. Okay, just asked if I was here, and I accidentally said it in caps. Okay. So, I'm in the dance, and nobody's here. Just this one, Emily Dark Fairy Sister with Cat Cheerleader single. I don't know. She has a crying face on, so I'm not going to get involved with that. But yeah, guys, as you can see, I'm very laggy. Yep, I'm laggy to everyone, but everyone's laggy to me. But I've been told that I'm laggy, and that's when I realised that I was laggy, and I was just seeing other people as laggy. Yep. And sometimes, guys, I lose connection from games, so don't get upset, don't get worried. If I lose connection from games a lot when I'm playing. So, yeah. Yep, it's very natural. Ruby is very used to it because when we play together on Roblox, I lose connection. Oh yeah, and guys, I'm going to my hide and seek spot. And guys, you can't hear Ruby right now, I don't think. And Ruby just asked where I went. And yeah, if you guys ever play hide and seek on Royal High, I'm going to show you a perfect spot that you can hide in where your friends will never, ever find you. Okay, so guys, let's get down here. So, this is the area. You can go in further and explore if you want with all of this, but I just like to keep it simple and stay in this little crack or down here. And there we go. She already knows because we played hide and seek and I hid here before. And basically, yeah, you just go behind the coronation ceremony area, go past the rocks, go down, and then basically you're there. Just go through all the cracks and stuff, and then you'll find yourself here if you're ever playing hide and seek. So all of my viewers, play hide and seek with your friends on Royal High and they will never find you. And I'm going to show you another spot. Just wait a second, because unfortunately my screen recorder doesn't pause, otherwise it ends the video. So guys, you're going to see a lot of this sort of stuff. There's not going to be any pauses. So basically what you can do, you can glitch into, you know where I'm glitching, don't you? Into the sewers thing, Ruby?
Oh,
Yeah, so basically you just try and glitch into the sewers. You press on and off chill, and then eventually you'll get in like that, but you have to be on the sewers thing, and then basically you go on sleep, which is right here. And then you turn your name tag off, so it'll be harder to see you. So like go like that, remove name, and then click yes. Alright, so like yeah, yes, erase my name. And then if you hide, your friends will never be able to find you. But
So, yeah,
can be hard to get out sometimes.
maybe you should just restart really.
Huh. I should have thought about this. Okay guys, I'm just gonna reset since I can't do anything else.
My favorite is
So yeah, my roleplay name is currently Danielle. I don't know why. I'm gonna change it to Clover since my alternate YouTube channel is alternative YouTube channel is going to be Clover YouTube. And guys, you already saw in the video me type in Notepad what it was. And yeah, guys, yeah. Yes. Oh guys, I'm going to show you a little bit of a glitch as well. Do you know the glitch I'm doing, Ruby?
I think, is it the art studio one?
Yeah, the art studio one. Yeah, if you guys didn't catch what Ruby said just then, she basically guessed that it was the art studio glitch. All you have to do, go up to the window. Oh, wait. Sorry. Go on to chill, go into first person, and then basically turn around. Basically, you just go like that. Right, let me actually go into chill. And go like that. Like that, go into first person, step forward, and turn around. Okay guys, my mum just walked in, so sorry for all of the viewers that are watching right now. And guys, we only have a minute left of this video. Because my recorder only lasts for 15 minutes. Okay guys, so yeah, that was just all of our introduction. Soon I'm going to be doing a Gacha Life video, maybe a mini movie or a Gacha Life introduction of OCs and stuff. And I'll do Ruby and OC. Just for fun. She'll design it though. Like, you know, I'll just show her my screen. You're going to design your own character because I'm going to show you my screen, Ruby. Okay, so yeah, I'm saying goodbye now to you all. Yeah. Goodbye. Ruby, say goodbye. Ruby says goodbye.